Hi, I'm Adam Asherish, and I'm on our hand tools, storage, and PPE team here at Milwaukee Tool. Welcome to Pipeline 2023. Now last year at Pipeline, we announced 14 new cutting pliers, including Linemans, Long Nose, and Diagonals, along with 19 screwdrivers and 2 kits, all made in our brand new manufacturing facility in West Bend, Wisconsin, where we've invested over $55 million to deliver best-in-class performance for you, our user. Now taking a step back and looking at why did we make that investment? It was for you, because of your feedback. We've continued to go out, do research in these categories, and we heard 2 key things. You wanted an option for USA made, and you were also looking for better performance than what was out there today. We took that feedback, we came back and worked with our team to understand where are ways that we can make improvements. We listened, we heard that you had frustrations in the field with cutting pliers. You wanted those tough cuts to be easier, you wanted the cut edges, the teeth to last longer, and you just wanted your pair of pliers to open and close. On screwdrivers, you were looking for that best fit, a better grip, and a longer lasting tip. We brought that feedback back, and what we identified was the frustrations that you see in the field can be tied directly back to the outdated manufacturing that our competitors are using. We took a different approach. We invested that $55 million to bring best-in-class manufacturing to deliver best-in-class performance for you. What does that actually mean when you talk about the product? Well, starting with cutting pliers, it all starts with the forge. We press forge our pliers, so in 2 hits, we can take it from raw bar stock into a handle half, allowing us to redefine both that inner and that outer grain structure at a higher temperature, so we get a more durable and more precise product from the very start of our process. From there, we need to go and harden the products, those work surfaces, the cut edge and the teeth, to make sure it lasts in the field. Traditionally, that's done through induction hardening. And more often than not, with induction hardening, you harden not only those surfaces, but also other areas you don't intend to, creating brittleness. With competitors, it bleeds into the rivet, that pivot location, creating brittleness and early failures in the field. What they're required to do is push that pivot point back, costing you cut force to allow the product to last in the field. What we do with our laser hardening, we have the control to harden only the cut edge and the teeth, allowing us to push that pivot point as far forward as possible to give you maximum leverage while still giving you that long life. What does that actually look like? We've got a demo here where we've got 10 3-wire. We're actually gonna cut it with our product and a competitor, and it's gonna measure peak cut torque so you can see the difference between Milwaukee and our competition. So I'll go ahead and get this started here. And what you're gonna see on the screen is the measurement of the actual cut torque that it takes to cut this product. So we're at 133 inch-pounds, competitors are at 160. It's a significant difference for you in the field when you're making those tough cuts day in and day out. Last but not least on pliers, you asked us to deliver smooth open and close. You told us about the sticky pliers that you have, the hundreds of ways that you try to break in that product. When we took that feedback back and looked at how can we solve for that, how can we break in that pair of pliers for you? With our automated rivet process and our end-of-line automated check, each pair of Milwaukee pliers is gonna have that smooth open and close right out of the box, no break-in from you required. Shifting over to screwdrivers, it's a very similar story. We took a look at your frustrations and looked at how we could solve for them with our manufacturing. Starting with the tip, we leveraged all the work and the knowledge that our Shockwave accessory team already has to precision machine in that best geometry to give you that best fit right out of the package. We didn't stop there though. On all of our screwdrivers, we actually add a laser etch to the tip, so as you're tightening or loosening, it grips into the screw to prevent that slipping and stripping and that need for you to go grab a screw extractor. Finally, we looked at how the tip could last longer. Once it starts to wear, those frustrations become more and more prevalent. We landed on a boron-infused steel. That boron-infused steel is something we see in high-end automotive parts, high-end golf clubs. What it means for you though, is this tip is gonna last longer, this screwdriver is gonna last longer. Now, with all these solutions, we're so confident in the product, our manufacturing capabilities, and our quality control, we're gonna back them up with a full lifetime guarantee. Well, we don't expect anything to go wrong for you. If something does, we'll take care of you, no questions asked. So like I mentioned, we've got the 14 cutting pliers, Linemans, Long Nose, and Diagonals in both dipped and comfort grip, along with 19 screwdrivers and 2 screwdriver kits. Those are all now shipping, and this is just the start. We've made that initial $55 million investment, but we're gonna continue to expand and launch new products out of that facility, all based on your input, all with best-in-class performance, and all backed by that lifetime guarantee. Thank you.